All right, we got something today that everyone's gonna be interested in. How does a custom home on 5 acres with 4 garage ports under $800,000 sound to you?
The reason that this home is under $800,000 is because it needs your personal touch.
Now this home does need some renovations, but the work has already begun. A brand new metal roof was just installed, the decks were stained, garage doors replaced, and much more. The main living area features big windows that let in lots of natural light. Besides the living area is a kitchen and a dining room that opens up to the back deck. Behind the kitchen is a bathroom and 2 guest bedrooms. Up the stairs is a loft overlooking the living area. Behind this is a current master bedroom with its own private deck.
Whip out your chainsaw, cut down a couple trees, and you're gonna have huge views from this master bedroom.
Downstairs from the main floor is the basement. The north side of the basement would be the perfect spot for a game room.
So the south side of the basement can be easily converted into 2 rooms, thus creating an extra bedroom.
And we can't forget about the detached 2-car garage that provides plenty of space for all those Colorado toys. Now we all live in Colorado for the outdoor opportunities. You'll love sitting out here by the fire, enjoying the starry nights in Pagosa Springs, and talking to friends and family about the new mountain lifestyle that you have. If you have any interest in this home, hit us up. We'd love to show you the potential of it, along with the magic of Southwest Colorado. Cheers.